Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety and gathering tools so you can work confidently. First, remove the lens from the camera and lock it on a padded mat. Next, unscrew the outer casing screws in a consistent order. Keep them separated in a labeled tray. As you lift the barrel, note flex cables and mark their positions. Once the cover is off, inspect for obvious damage, loose helicoid, disconnected ribbon, or debris. Make sure to photograph each stage so you can reverse the process accurately. You now perform targeted diagnosis and cleaning to restore function. Begin by manually moving the focus helicoid. Feel for grinding or resistance, which indicates grit or dry grease. Clean bearings and gear teeth with a micro brush and 90% plus isopropyl. Avoid excess liquid near motors. Inspect the AF motor and ribbon connectors under magnification and reseat or replace any frayed ribbons. Use a multimeter to check continuity on contacts. You finish by reassembling carefully and validating autofocus. Reattach ribbons and secure screws in the reverse order of removal, making sure no cables are pinched and the barrel slides freely. Mount the lens on the camera and perform live AF tests across focal range and apertures. Listen for abnormal motor noise. If performance is good, run a quick calibration or micro-adjustment to refine accuracy. If autofocus still fails, stop and recheck ribbon seating and motor voltage. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.